and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, and all social media. And today is a vlog day. I just took a shower, so I feel like I look like a wet rat, a wet dog, but it's okay. So today, I don't know, we're just gonna hang out to work day. So let's go ahead and make breakfast because I'm hungry. Let's also ignore this giant box that Matthew left out here. We bought a Tatcher and he left the box right here. I was like, ignore the box, and then I show you, but whatever. Anyways, let's go ahead and make some eggs. Thankfully, I have to say about like breakfast goes, I always have my hard-boiled eggs with cottage cheese. It's so easy and quick to make. I prep it the night before and then I'm able to just like warm it up a little bit in the morning, pour my cottage cheese and call it a day. It's delicious and great protein, and I don't have to do anything in the morning because I'm lazy in the morning, so it's nice. Let's go. Okay, so I'm in bed and I'm tired. Hold on, Matthew. I'm tired, so Matthew went to get me a little Alani at I kept telling him to hold so we could do an aesthetic little opening like the little influencers, they do little tappy tappies, and he couldn't wait. So, but at least I have an Alani. He put it in this koozie that we got from the movie theater in Castroville. It's pretty cute. Anyways, I'm gonna drink this. I'm exhausted. I woke up, what was it, like 7 a.m.? I think it was actually before 7. I think it was actually before 7. I woke up super early because I couldn't sleep. And yeah, and I don't go into work till 9, but thankfully I was able to get like the vlog started pretty early, kind of like kickstart that, but I'm still pretty tired, so definitely feeling that right now because I usually wake up at like 8 o'clock or even like 8:30 because I start work at 9. Anyways, I'm gonna drink this and hopefully it gives me life. So I have a quick little break and I wanted to reorganize my jewelry because I feel like it's kind of a mess. So this is what I'm doing right now. It's just like everywhere, like there's like knots and stuff, and I'm like, no, this can't be it. So I've had this, I'm just like reorganizing it. I used to have it all hung up in my closet, and now I think I just want to do this. I think it just makes a little bit more sense. I may even at one point get a second one of these acrylic organizers, but that's a thing for another day. So Matthew made me a salad, a super cheesy salad, but I'm pretty excited to have this. I think I told you all this in my last vlog, but this is the creamy salsa, like from Chick-fil-A. That is so good. I literally, like, if you can get this, like 10 out of 10 recommend. Well, that being said, it is a little spicy, so if you don't like spice, maybe this isn't for you, but it is delicious in my opinion. All right, you guys, so we just got a fun package. I look a mess, but I'm working. So I look a mess because I'm currently on my break, but I'm working, and we just got a fun package. I feel like today's going to be a day filled of like packages because we have a lot of things coming in. First off being this fun, exciting package where it actually has a little thing that you can pull. Oh, not convenient. We have to cut it. So, obviously, as we know, the Selena Gomez CD released the new album, and we were able to get one of the signed copies, and I'm assuming the auto is in here. So the auto's in here. Matthew's in here, but he's obviously like shy, so he's not talking. What's new? So let's get into this. I only have a couple minutes left on my break, so I want to make sure to do this a little quickly. Ugh, I can't. Whatever, I'll clean that up later. And we were able to get the CD. The vinyl sold out pretty quickly, but this is the CD cover, obviously, and ooh, I'm nervous. Oh, okay, it looks good. I like it. So it's the signed one. I kind of want to get a CD player, obviously, like, you know, with time, we'll see. I do already have a Selena Gomez auto, but this is the first Benny Blanco, and it's just like iconic. Like, I really like it. I'm excited. Anyways, I just wanted to show y'all really quick. I have to get back to work. Gotta get back to reality. Matthew wants to see it, obviously. I'll talk to you in a bit. Actually, really quick, while we're here, Kohl's is too funny. Look at this giant bag they sent. All for, let me show you all. This giant freaking bag for a lip gloss. I ordered. They're too funny. Anyways, at least it arrived because I had placed an order on Sephora for Rare Beauty Foundation, talking about Selena Gomez, and the Rare Beauty Foundation came separately, and then they shipped this in another bag in another order, which is hilarious that they used this giant bag for this tiny lip gloss, but it's here at least. So obviously I told you all that today was going to be a day filled of packages coming in, and I think there's still one more that needs to arrive, but this is an Amazon package that literally just arrived. Like, I was finishing up some stuff with work, and I saw the guy like drive up and drop it off, and I was like, Matthew, go get my package. And he went, and it's here. So I'm pretty excited. Let me show you all what we have here. Okay, I'm assuming the rest of the stuff is in the other package that is yet to arrive. Let me put some of this stuff away because now I have a box to throw stuff in. Okay, so first things first, here's this little one. This one's a lot smaller. We can actually like get into this one. So this is actually for my camera. So I record on a DJI. I recently upgraded to that from a Canon G7X. I love it so far. I love the size. I love the portability of it. It's pretty awesome. And I had seen on TikTok that they had, this is pretty cool, these magnetic cases that you can add to your camera. So I'll have to figure out how this works, but I even know that it doubles up. Okay, I'll have to like, does it have, oh yeah, there it is. I have like a little lock here, I guess, yeah. And it even doubles up as like a little stand, which is pretty cool. But what's nice about it, and the whole reason why I got it, is that this right here is magnetic. So I can actually, wait, did they have, I was like, why is it sticky? But it's not. So I don't think I have, yeah, I technically do. Can y'all even see over here? Yeah, so that's pretty cool. So I can like kind of vlog, like I can put it anywhere. I've seen people put it on like carts, like while they're like shopping and stuff, and it fits on the bottom of the DJI of the camera, and then this can like snap on. It's pretty cool. I kind of really love it. So I'm excited to try this out. So that's the first thing I got. Obviously I got to look at the instructions and everything, see how to like install it. So we'll figure that out. The second thing I got is a She Reads Truth Bible. So I have, you can see it, yeah, right here. I have a Bible from Hosanna Revival, and I actually have like a ton of other Bibles that are down there. Most of them are like journaling Bibles, but I wanted a study Bible. I feel like, oh, I'm gonna have to like email them or something. This Bible's kind of low-key damaged, like, so it is kind of like bent right here. It's like dirty. Okay, I'm gonna take pictures of this really quick. I mean, I think the most they'll ask is for it back and replace it, but I'm like, no, I'm still gonna take pictures. Anyways, okay, so I got a She Reads Truth Bible. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty heavy. It's pretty big. Usually I buy like Bibles like that, like small Bibles, like journaling Bibles, but this serves more like a study Bible. So it has like a description of the book you're about to read. So if you can tell, like, yeah, like, well, this is Genesis, but this is like, for example, Exodus. And it has like, most of the time, yeah, it does. I was going to say most of the time, but I would assume all of them do. I don't know. But this one has like even a map, even has like a reading guide, like kind of like how you can like better understand it. So it kind of walks you through the process of how to actually read the Bible. My goal this year for 2025, I don't know if I'm going to be able to complete it all in 2025, but my goal is to read the entire Bible in 1 year, at least 12 months. But if it takes me longer, like, it is what it is. But I kind of wanted more of a study Bible than like a journaling Bible. I do have to say something so different about this is the pages are super, super thin. I've been using my Hosanna Revival Bible, and the quality of that Bible, like, obviously the pages are still thin like a Bible normally is, but this one is just like super, super thin. But it was like $20, and people do love these Bibles. Like, it has a lot of information, so it seems like a really good Bible. The one thing that I've noticed lately is that a lot of Bibles don't have the red text, like when God is talking. And I used to love that. That was like my favorite part of like getting a Bible when I was like younger. And these don't have that, which is kind of crazy. And Hosanna Bible is the same way, but I got that. That was a little thing that I got for myself. And I'm going to wait for, I have tabs coming in. Now I bought like really like minimal tabs, like they're like white with like a little bit of gold, because my goal at one point, I don't know when it would happen because their restocks don't happen very often and they're always sold out, but I would love to have a cover from, I think it's pronounced Kinos. They have like the most aesthetic looking covers and they're so beautiful. They're expensive, but I would love to have one of those. But that's my, I think one day I would love to have that. But anyways, that's what I got. So that's what I have so far, at least. There's more to come. Not much, right? Mm-hmm. What's the other package? Anyways, we don't even know. But for now, that's all I have. And I'm going to go ahead and put this thing on my camera because this looks pretty cool. I don't know how it even works, but it's pretty neat because I can still use like my tripod and everything because the bottom is still exposed. So it's pretty cool. I'm excited for that. All right, guys, so you can't see me, I'm all the way down here, but we are about to go to Five Below because we're going to have my niece and nephew. I'm trying to cover my cleavage here, but Matt and I are going to have my niece and nephew this weekend, and they started playing soccer, and we want to get them a little like soccer ball or just stuff to play with just for entertainment purposes. But I wanted to show you all really quick. I just got a package in from Amazon, which is the cover for my DJI. Oh, like you can't see my face, but I'm pretty excited about this because since I got the magnetic cover, it won't fit the original cover on it, so I wanted to have something, obviously. So this is perfect. Perfect. Look how tiny it is. Yay, I'm excited. Okay. I'm gonna take y'all with me to Five Below so we can check it out together. We're home. We made it home from Five Below. I continue doing this because I left my tripod upstairs, so whatever. But we got some things for my niece and nephew because they're going to be here this weekend. So here is what we got them. They love coloring and like arts and crafts like their aunt. So I got them these, a little Spider-Man and Princess. I think y'all actually, I'm pretty sure y'all have seen my niece and nephew. Boy, girl, they're twins. Okay, so there's that one. I'm gonna try to pick up as I go. And then we were able to find them a soccer ball, so that's good. We always try to get them like similar stuff. Like we always try to get, if there's like a boy and a girl option, that's what we get. So far, like they're into like Spider-Man and Disney princesses, so we got them. These are like little streamers, and again, Spider-Man princess, and we got them pink and blue peeps. So good enough, nothing too much. I'm only gonna limit them to like one or something because I can't imagine how crazy they're gonna get. And then I got these for myself. Matthew got these, they're little gummy bears, and he also got, let me move this out of the way. He also got this. So that is all we got. I'm just gonna go ahead and chill. So I'm gonna change into my pajamas and relax. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all probably tomorrow for a little bit, and then I'll close out the vlog and edit this because I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, so that's fun, but not fun. Hey, you guys, what is up? Today is Tuesday, so you're actually going to be seeing this probably today, most likely, but right now we're going to go into Barnes & Noble's. If you don't see it today, you'll probably see it on Thursday, but either way, I just want to start this off saying hi. How are you guys? I love you. Thank you for watching. I'm drinking a little matcha, so unfortunately I'm not going to get coffee here. I went to the doctor's, so I was prepped and ready to go. I have time off until 2 o'clock, until 2 p.m. and it is currently 10:22, so I have plenty of time. I'm not shopping for anything, but if I found something, I'm not opposed to it. So let's go to Barnes & Noble. That one, but eventually, because I'm going through ACOTAR right now. I didn't know they had a missing here. Alright guys, so I made it home. I did go to Barnes & Noble's. I didn't find anything as expected. I think because I'm currently reading ACOTAR and I have the entire series here at home, I don't see a need to have to... Wait, is this moving with me? No, just making sure it's not. I don't see a need to buy any books right now because I'm currently on the 3rd book. So I have 2 more books to read and they're pretty long. So, and then after that, I want to read the Throne of Glass series, which it's going to be a pretty big expense to do, but I think I may just get the entire series all at once. So I don't have to worry about buying like book by book. So yeah, that's the goal. But I did, pop in and look around. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here because I do need to edit this. It's currently 11:41, so about to be noon, and I clock into work at 2 o'clock. And I have a pretty busy day, so I obviously want to make sure to be focused and ready to go. So yeah, you'll be seeing this pretty soon, probably by tonight the latest. If not, if I get it done, may go up before. But either way, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you all. And if you got to the end, comment, let's see, what emoji? Like an orange emoji. I think that would be fun. I'll put a few on the screen that you can like get inspiration from. But I love you guys. Thank you for being here, and I will talk to y'all again on Thursday. Bye. Mwah.